Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Ria Digusi. I'm 33 years old. I have a live-in partner and 3 kids. In my experience here in the Philippines as a household helper, I serve a 3-member of the family in 3 years and 5 months. And my duty was cooking, ironing their clothes, doing laundry, and taking care of a newborn baby. Sometimes, I sing a song before bedtime, like, if you're happy, if you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, if you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, if you know, are you really wanna show? If you're happy, if you know it, clap your hands. I'm a hardworking and dedicated to learn the task given, and I promise to fulfill my duty and work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.